Hey bro, garbage day's on Tuesday. Do you know what day it is? It's Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days. Your garbage can's still out on the road. It's either you are being a little lazy, or don't understand the rules, or I have my days mixed up. And it's not that one for sure. Everyone, look down the street. No one has their garbage cans out but you. Okay? That's the first issue. The second issue is you always put it on the side of your house. You can clearly see it from the road. You can't do that. It has to be blocked by a fence, or visually I cannot see it. No one can see it from the road. Literally makes it look trashy. So, fix this issue by the weekend, ASAP, today. Okay? Got it?